will release the tension, and hopefully we'll take this out of the bracket. Okay, and then I will manage to put it. So you can see there are the strings or the wires here, or cable. It's just one giant cable. It just loop around this part of the motor here. Okay, and each end of the cable, you see here, goes through here as attached. Okay, so this is what we are going to do right now. First, let's remove this and then get this out, and then try to replace it with this clip. There are two main screws, 1, 2. We'll unscrew them. That will take release the bracket from the motor. So everything else works. It just this part here keep on breaking. Okay. Again, let me show you a better view because it's poorly made. When the window, if you put too much pressure on the window and this clip here crack, it just break, because once it breaks, see here, that's this part here that pull the window down. Now you can always get the window up, but to bring the window down, you cannot do that because you're missing this here. Okay, so let's go ahead and first let's get this out and move this out and to release tension. See, I'm able to remove. See, I removed the bracket. Oh, and now here's the cable. You see the cable? Okay, so now that's the part I need to remove. You see here the wires, the cable goes up here. It's attached here and here. So let me see if I can get the cable out. This thing here is coming, it wants to come out. See, maybe that, yeah, that's the motor. Just like this. Now you can see. There we go. I removed it. I snap it. The bottom one goes up. Okay, so now you see how this thing works. Okay, so now let me try to put this back. So the bottom one will go up here, That's how I will manage to get it in. The wires. All right, so now I managed to put the wires, the cable back in, and so all I have to do is to attach it to the bracket, and there's that part here. I have to make sure I don't break it because it's really cheap plastic. Easily. Oh, you want easy. It goes in easy. The reason is because there's no tension. Easy because again there's no tension. So the tension will be here. Now I have a bigger work to do here because this thing come apart, but I should be able to put it back. Because I have a good mental memory, plus I have the video. The video I'm filming here. If I have a problem, I can just go back and do it. But the essential thing is I know where it was. Okay, right here. And then I know this goes in here like this. Well, I managed to put it back. It was very easy to put this one because there is no pressure on the spring, and no matter what I do, I couldn't tighten this up. Why? Because the motor has to turn to apply pressure to this, and I do not have a tester. See, I do not have a tester because this is the power supply, so I do not have a power to activate the motor to make this turn and thus apply pressure to tighten this. So what I will have to do is on the vehicle, then I will take the window panels off, and then just go ahead and test it. When I test it, then the motor will turn and then pull this, and I have to do it very slowly so it can just adjust, okay, to adjust the spring or the cable, okay, and that's where we are. Well, let's see, let's go see what we have here. I couldn't show you on the camera because it took me a long time to get this done. But essentially what I did, you can see here, I managed to put the cable, and then you can see it, I had to wrap it around the wheel, and then the center of the cable meet with that gap, and that's what would allow the space, because before, the end of the cable was pretty much at the end of the groove here, and I couldn't get it right. Then what I did, I watched a video where I took it apart, and then that's when I noticed that that's how the center was. So I managed to wrap it, to roll it in around, and then have this gap here. So now let's go ahead and try and see how it if it rolls up freely without making a mess. And you can see this is firm right now. Okay, so yeah, see, See, now it's working. And stop and go up. Okay, see now it works. It will stop, the window will stop, and it will go up. And it stopped right here. So go up again. See, so it works. So basically, on this window here, this one was broken and this one was broken, so it couldn't hold the door. So that's why I replaced this one instead of buying. So I bought one, and the one that's inside broke. So instead of buying the whole frame, so I only bought this part here. So it took me a little while to put it, but this is how, if you want to fix something. So now again, I already have a video on how to do this, how to take the panel out and how to install the frame. But right now I was just wanted to show you, in this video I only just wanted to show you how to install this. Okay, so if I can do it, you can do it too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.